We had another question from our friend, if the river was whiskey, and he wants to know about overall cleaning and maintenance. So I'm gonna move over here to this PK. It's a little dirty. Because the bottom and the lid are independent of one another, our hinges are cast in, so there's nothing to rust or break. You can kind of take them apart. I'm not gonna do that though, because I am lazy. And my secret weapon is a shop vac. Seriously, how long did that take, Bronson? 10 seconds?
10 seconds.
15 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay, 15 seconds. Only do that with cool ash. Don't ever do that with hot ash that hasn't already been shut down, you know, like day old ash that's cool, unless you want to ruin your shop vac. Make sure you do that with cool ash. But anyway, that's the way to go. Yeah, I mean, you just saw it. I've just disassembled this PKTX. I've got the lids here on the ground. This is kind of a non-toxic and biodegradable degreaser. And I'm gonna just spray this on here and I'm gonna let it just sit for a minute while I get the hose. You'll notice I am doing the outside of the grill. Watch out, I'm coming through. My hose is leaky. Dude, look at all that grime. What I'm trying to do is just kind of knock off the big grease and grime. I am not trying to remove all of this material. In fact, I want to keep this. Since I went ahead and pulled this apart, I'm going to put some new grids and grates in it. We sell these on our website, and we're going to plop that in there. That's hinged just like the old one. The PKTX is ready for her next cook. That was fun. We enjoyed getting your comments and sorting through all of them and deciding what we were going to shoot this week. Let's do it again next week. Leave your comments on these videos and let us know what you want us to talk about next. We would love to hear from you.